Here we have a SHERLINE miniature lathe, and we have it powered up just to show you that the speed controller does operate on here, and the motor operates very nicely. And here we go, we'll turn it on. As you turn up the speed control. Down the speed control. And shut the unit off. And we just checked all the functions on here. Everything appears to operate. Okay, it comes with a little 3-jaw chuck, cross slide, and a longitudinal feed. It's a little tight, but it does operate. Of course, you got your tool holder right here. And then you have your tailstock, and as your longitudinal feed moves very slowly, but it does operate. There's a little wobble in the handle here because this shaft is a little bent during shipping here. As you can see, it does wobble just a slight bit there, and there's a little damage on the plastic handle right here. Actually, it's just going to almost come right off. And it also includes all these parts here: your back plate, your drive belt, your drill chuck. This is one of your mounts. You got 2 dead centers right here. Some other miscellaneous parts, and we're not really quite sure if all the parts are here, but that is what you will receive. A little bit of rust on the bed here. There's a couple of little minor, very tiny dings right here. Rust there. Nothing major. Still a great little machine.